Now friends, we will understand the inserting object. Okay, we can insert the object means that we can insert a particular different application file like MS Excel, PowerPoint. So let's see here how we can insert that. Okay, so for that we have to click on the insert tab, which is already clicked here, and insert tab you will see the object feature in the text group. Okay, go to the insert tab. In the text group you will see a object option. When you click this, right, two tabs are there: create new, create from file. Yes, you can create it a particular Excel sheet here as well. Like if I go for the Excel sheet, suppose if you have some work in Word, in terms of you want to use the Excel feature in MS Word, so this way you can use it. The particular Excel format will be opened here in MS Word itself, and you can use it very easily, right? So this is the use of Excel feature in MS Word, right friends? It is very very good. Now let's insert a particular object from already created a file. Okay, so you can browse it. Where is your file is located? Go to the browse option. Okay, now go to the pictures. I have saved this file here for easy to get. Okay, and this is the result file, and we can insert it and click on. As you can see, the path is showing here. Click on OK. Now the file is available here in MS Word. Okay, so the same formatting what it has in MS Excel, it will be applied here only. As you can see, the same formatting is here, nothing is changed. Okay, and you can obviously adjust it like this. Okay, you can adjust it like it, so it will be fitting in the document. Okay, and you can have this feature. Okay, so this is the way you can insert a particular file in a Word document.